Hey, hi friends, welcome to Creation Technologies. Today we are going to discuss about assignment operator in JavaScript. We know that there is a equal sign is there. Okay, so that equal sign is called as the assignment operator in JavaScript, and this equal sign is not our equal to operator. So in the screen here you can see this equal sign. Okay, so this equal sign is an assignment operator. So this is not an equal to operator. So let me just give you a small example. Okay, so let's say where, okay, result equal to 10 plus 5. So here I'm just doing a sum of 10 plus 5 and the result will be stored in this result variable. Okay, so here you can see this equal to sign is nothing but about our assignment operator. So what does it exactly means? So whatever the sum of these two values, it will be assigned to this result variable, and this is not an equal to operator. So for the equal to operator, what you can do, like we need to use this double equal sign. Okay, so for the equal to like operator, what we can do, let's say if, okay, x equal to 5. Okay, so so here what I am doing is that if the so whatever the value of x, I am just comparing with 5, and if it equals, then I will just return some of the result or something else. So this is my equal to operator, and here you can see this equal to is my assignment operator. So there is a difference between assignment operator and equal to operator. So many people get confused between these two operators. So now I just made it very clear that, so where is the assignment operator and where is the equal to operator, and when to use what. Suppose let's say here I will just use the um, like the equal to operator, then it will show you me an error. Like here you can see here it is showing me an error. Okay, so let me remove here this another equal to. So now like here you can see that the whatever the right hand side is evaluated, it will be assigned to the left hand side, and to assigning those right hand side value to the left hand side, we are using this assignment operator. And here you can see this equal to is our assignment operator, and after that I can simply use console.log or any variable, and I can, I mean, display or assign, use those variables. So this is all about our assignment operator in JavaScript. Thank you.